could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for your praise. Is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me?
Welcome back to my channel everyone. I am Nadu and you're watching my YouTube channel Vlogger H, and if you have not subscribed yet, consider subscribing and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for further updates. Good morning from Bangalore. It's 5:45 AM and I'm leaving for OOTY right now. OOTY is 250 kilometers from my hotel. Just checked out, and one good thing, Prithvi has joined our ride, and Prithvi just took an Avenger and on rent, and he's going entire Kerala with us. So yeah, pretty much excited. One more rider added, and one more thing, it's Prithvi's first ever long ride, so he's also very much excited for that. Estimated time is 6 hours, but of course ज़्यादा ही लगेंगे because we are gonna take breaks. It's pretty much pleasant in Bangalore. Not so hot, not so cold. It's showing 25 degrees. That means it's not at all cold. And मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा liners पहन लिया, so I'm feeling very hot. It's 6:20 AM, done 30 kilometers. I can see सुबह हो रहा है धीरे धीरे. Beautiful feeling it is. Feels great.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling
50 kilometers out of Bangalore. We have stopped for the breakfast, and here is Prithvi. Prithvi, aaja.
Hey guys.
So Prithvi has joined us in our ride, and he will be riding with us to the entire Kerala, and then back to Bangalore. Then we'll fly off to Siliguri. So yeah, very much excited, and it's Prithvi's major big ride. It's the first time Prithvi is riding.
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Let's do it. So बहुत जगह एक्सप्लोर करना है अभी. तो इतना दिन तो सिर्फ राइड, अभी बहुत एक्सप्लोर करने वाला हूँ मैं. There was this long traffic jam, and I was stuck here for half an hour, and finally I can see that the traffic is no more. Finally, and it's way too hot, and I'm wearing my liners inside, and I'm feeling very hot. Very hot. मिल जाए तो कहना धूप में. This is the Mysore city. Very beautiful city. One of the oldest cities in India. So this is the back side of Mysore Palace. Very beautiful palace and very famous palace. And we are taking this left for a shortcut to OOTY, which will save more than an hour. So beautiful place I'm riding in, beautiful road, pretty hot weather. लग ही नहीं रहा है कि ये दिसंबर है. And 60 kilometers more to OOTY. टेम्परेचर में कोई भी चेंज नहीं है. I thought उसी के पास जितना जाऊंगा उतना ठंड होगा, but now I can see there is no change in weather. I think ये सब storm में ऐसा हुआ है. जो लास्ट storm हुआ था ना, शायद उसी में ऐसा हुआ है. ये सब trees का हालत कुछ जगह पे काट भी गया है. But beautiful, isn't it? Just look at the mountains, small mountains or plateaus, whatever it is, and you can see a lot of coconut trees, lot of greeneries. Beautiful Kerala, beautiful Karnataka, beautiful Tamil Nadu. So I'm entering the Bandipur National Park, and the safari park I just crossed it. ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस एंड मैंने यहाँ से सुना है कि यहाँ के जंगल के बीच में जो रास्ता है वो बहुत ही सुंदर है, तो आई होप कि वो सुंदरता मुझे भी देखने को मिले। Deer, Daddy, da. Can you see the deers? Huh?
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. When you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for your praise. But is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me to win your memory?
So Karnataka is khatam. Karnataka khatam hua and we are entering Tamil Nadu. This is the border, NH 67, and this is Madumalai Tiger Reserve. This is Madumalai Tiger Reserve, same as Bandipur, but Bandipur is in Karnataka and this is in Tamil Nadu.
Lose my mind, lost in your maze, stuck in your gaze. How can I get out? I'm out of time to make
So there is an elephant. Woo!
baby, show me how.
Just look at the bloody views, man. So amazing. Woo! चढ़ाई शुरू हो गया. Woohoo! And the temperature is getting colder.
And I could walk for days, searching for your praise. But is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me to learn your memories? Will I slowly lose my mind? Lost in your maze.
Ooty is beautiful, man. Beautiful. This road has 36 hairpin bends.
Stuck in your gaze. How can I get out? I'm out of time to make you mine. Baby, show me how.
Well, I have reached Ooty and my room is more 4 kilometers. Beautiful place, amazing place. This is our resort or homestay, whatever it is, and this is a track we need to follow, and pretty hard track, I can see that. Nice. जी जी,
Hotel booking.
या राइट. हाँ, कितना दूर है होटल? ओके ओके. सो वी हैव रीच्ड ऊटी एंड अभी हम लोग जाएंगे ऊटी को एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए. वी हैव बुक दिस रूम, एक्चुअली ओयो होम हम लोग ने बुक किया. मैंने booking.com से बुकिंग किया था, लेकिन आई डोंट नो व्हाई दे हैव कैंसिल माय बुकिंग एट द एंड ऑफ द ट्रिप. मतलब मैं होटल पहुंच गया, उसके बाद उन्होंने मुझे कॉल करके बोला योर बुकिंग इज कैंसल्ड, वी हैव कैंसल्ड योर बुकिंग बिकॉज वी ट्राइड कॉलिंग यू बट यू डिडंट रिसीव आवर कॉल और योर फोन वाज नॉट रीचेबल. तो ओयो होम फिर से बुक करना पड़ा एंड दैट वाज 14 किलोमीटर्स अवे फ्रॉम दैट प्लेस. सो अभी हम लोग आए यहाँ पे and we'll go to the market, we'll explore the market and I'll see you after that.
We finally had our lunch, but I have seen a lots of food and you guys know that I am a foodie, so I want to try those foods as well. I will show you guys what are the foods I have seen. So came to the OOTY market right now and OOTY का famous चीज़ पता है क्या है? OOTY का handmade chocolates. अगर OOTY आओ तो handmade chocolates ज़रूर try करना. We are also gonna try the handmade chocolates as well.
I'm out of time to make you mine. Baby, show me how.
This is our homestay or the Oyo home and this is the view from our room. I can see the entire OOTY city. मैंने drone shots भी लिया. I hope you guys have enjoyed the drone shots. And OOTY city यहाँ से completely दिखता है. Very 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 nice stay. And 4 BHK है. And everything was sold out at the last moment and we booked 4 BHK home. And हम लोग हैं 3 members. 3 members, 4 BHK home. We have plenty of room space. So that's about it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. Thank you very much for watching this video guys and do follow me on Instagram at vlogger_h. See you soon in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.